Hey guys, today we're going to be testing out these. These are the Sheglam Lip Dazzler Glitter Kits. I recently got these in like one of my Sheglam hauls. Basically it comes with a lip liner, an adhesive, and then a glitter. So I'm very excited. So basically you put your lip liner on first, then you put your adhesive on, and then your glitter on. And yeah, so I thought that we would try them out together. I've got two shades. I have Center Stage and Debonte. So let's just get started. It says, the ultimate 3-in-1 lip has arrived. Reach for our Lip Dazzler Glitter Kit every time you have a glamorous outing or casual day out. For a lip that dares to dazzle, including a lip adhesive, brush, glitter and liner, our kit makes it ultra fast and simple to get a red carpet worthy look. So yeah, it doesn't really give any instructions, so I guess it's just, yeah, we just do it ourselves. Okay, so yeah, starting with Center Stage, this is what comes in the kit and this is how it looks. So let's get started. I'm very excited to try this out. I feel like it's a little bit gimmicky, so I'm kind of excited to see if, like, you know, if it's how it actually works. So let's get straight into it. I have to say straight off the bat, the actual lip liner itself is really nice. So that's lip liner shade A. I'm going to fill it in. Oh my god. Okay. So we have something like that going on. Next we're putting on our little, they call it the Lip Dazzler lip gloss, but it's adhesive. It does smell very chemically, which makes me a bit, but anyway, let's go. It doesn't like feel sticky, so anyway. It does taste very chemically though. It's really putting me off, I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, here is our little glitter. This is what this one looks like. So I guess we kind of just tap it on. Oh my god, okay, it's starting to get really sticky. Okay, getting the actual glitter on is a bit of a process. It's taking a while. Why is it kind of like, why am I kind of living for it though? Okay, I'm gonna kind of, I think that's kind of like where I'm gonna leave it. So let me zoom you in. Mind you, I have glitter everywhere. My lips are still a little bit tacky. Obviously where like I haven't covered them completely with glitter, but I actually kind of really like it. Like I think like the effect is actually really cool. I can't lie, I'm actually kind of living for it. Why are glitter lips not more of a thing? I wonder if this is really bad for your lips. I feel like it would have to be. I also want to say that I feel like the adhesive like is actually drying, so it's not sticky anymore. I actually think it's really pretty. Okay, let's take this one off. Let's try our next shade. I wonder how easy it'll be to get off actually. This is just a bit of micellar water on a cotton pad, so let's... Okay, I will say coming off doesn't feel very nice. It feels like a lip scrub, like a really gritty lip scrub. Getting it off is a bit of a mission. But my lips don't feel too awful yet, so that's a good sign. Alright, the next one is Debonte, or Debonte, I don't know, but we're going to try this one. I feel like the glitters honestly look the same shade, to be honest, so... Oh, actually, sorry, this one's probably a little bit lighter. But yeah, I wonder how similar they'll be. Okay, because I feel like the lip liner looks kind of similar, but it has like a different shade on it, so... Actually, no, this one's much more like caramelly kind of shade. Off topic, but I don't really like the shade of this lip liner. These kind of like orangey shades just don't match. Okay, let's give this one a go. Still don't love the whole adhesive part, but once it's like dried down you can't actually taste it, so it just makes me feel funny when it first goes on. I wish there was a better way to pick up the glitter, because that's like the most time consuming part. Guys, I can't lie, I love these. I think they're really cool. So this is a Debonte, or I don't know how to say it, but I don't know how well it's capturing on camera, but like in person, they're capturing the light so well. I actually really like them. I didn't honestly expect them to work. But I actually think one, they work, which is nice, and two, they actually look really pretty. Like I actually really like the way that they look. I feel like they make your lips look quite dry, but I wonder if you could put a gloss over the top. That'd be interesting. But I actually think they look really pretty. I feel like there's still a gimmick in the sense of like, they're not Well, I mean, I guess you could wear this like every day if you wanted. Like, if I saw someone walking down the street wearing this, I'd be like, slay. But yeah, I don't know. I really do love them. I think they're so cool. I'm actually like thoroughly impressed. And yeah, I can't believe how pretty they look. And I'm surprised that more people don't do glitter lips. I have a couple of concerns. It does make me wonder, like, if the adhesive is bad for your lips long term. Because I feel like typically we don't really put glue in our lips. And also just trying to get to this, like the glitter off was quite like harsh on your lips. But once again, I guess if it's not something you're wearing every day, it doesn't really matter that much. But yeah, I actually think these are really fun. I feel like these would be so cool for like a Christmas party or something. I actually do have my Christmas party coming up. I wonder if I'd be brave enough to wear these. Yeah, I think they've been heaps of fun. Let me know down below if you've ever tried them and what you thought. I'd love to know your feedback. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.